Hi, my name is Carola and I'm biking around here for 1 year. I get asked a lot about how I packed and what my setup is for my bike. I had to pack for very different climates such as Scandinavia, UK where I am right now, and Spain and Portugal. So today I'm going to show you my setup and then open the bags and show you what's in them.
So we'll start with a box on my handlebar. You can pause the video to read all of the descriptions, but this is basically just my drone and everything that I need for it. Next, we have 2 small bags attached to my front wheel. The first one has lots of things I would need in an emergency or if I had a flat tire, as well as my phone gimbal, which I need to be able to reach quickly while I'm biking. The second small bag is pretty quickly explained as it contains my toiletry bag. Now to the bags on the back of the bike. The big duffel bag is the heaviest as it contains most of my camera stuff and lots of other small things. I also always carry some leftover/emergency food with me, which I've had to use many times. Now I don't know if this is a common thing, but I was pretty happy with myself when I created more space by clicking a waterproof bag to my saddle. This one is mainly dedicated to everything sleep related and has also become my go-to place for all the things I find which I forgot to put in the other bags. I have camped before on this trip, but my main plan is to stay with friends, friends of friends, and in Airbnbs along the way. So I want to make myself an easy guest by having a sleeping bag, and it also makes me more flexible with the Airbnbs that I can choose. On to the 2 big bags in the back. The first one contains my clothes. Now I do think that there are 1 or 2 things I didn't necessarily need, but I am traveling for a whole year, so to have an extra shirt or pants actually really does a lot for me mentally. I have also switched a couple of things when my parents visited me. In the second bag are lots of things that make me an easier guest, as well as the one item that wasn't necessary but I'm so glad I took with me, my tiny foldable chair. Last but not least, I always have my power bank in a waterproof case on my handlebars so I can charge my phone. It used to take me such a long time to get my bike ready, but after 7.5 months, I'm down to 3 minutes. I hope that was either helpful or interesting for you to watch. I'm really happy with my setup. I know some of it is quite specific to my needs, but I can recommend it. And if you're interested in why I'm traveling, you can check out my other videos and of course subscribe to my channel. I publish videos every Thursday.